up guys, my name is Clement from Money City Incorporated, and here at Money City we teach you how to make money online and how to stay on top of your game when it comes to using technology in making money. And today I'm going to share with you an amazing opportunity to actually sit at the back of your house, on your bed, at your swimming pool, whatever, and make some cool money without having to lift any weight. And what do I mean by this? Here you need just two things: a phone and an internet connectivity, and everything is going to be possible. If you like this video, remember to click the subscribe button and turn on notification, and so you won't miss future videos. Also remember that at Money City we have your interests at heart, and we will ensure that by the time you finish watching this video, you have a full idea about what you need in order to make this a reality. Remember, the video is going to be divided into two different sets. Set 1 is going to be about teaching you how to create an online product, and then 2 is to teach you where to market your product. But remember, this is not physical product. We are not going to sell any physical product. We are simply going to head to a website, create a link, or create a simple product like a video or something. Then you look for various avenues where you can actually market your product. So if this video serves you some value, click the subscribe button so you will get similar videos on your channel. Before I move, please subscribe to my channel and I will be very grateful. Let's move to the video now. So the video is going to be in two sections. Section 1 will guide you on how to create your product. Section 2 will guide you on how to find a place to sell your product. So let's begin with creating our product. Mind you, if this video is making a lot of sense to you, click the subscribe button so that you can keep us doing the work that we're doing right now. Remember, these informations are highly classified and you probably have to pay for it if it was somewhere else, but on YouTube we give it to you guys free of charge because we love you. We want to make money with you. So head on to your web browser and type this website known as motiondane.com. motiondane.com. Now motiondane.com is a website that allows you to use customized YouTube intro and outros to make your own videos, but you have to pay a small commission just to activate yourself. So we are going to head to the website, and once it's fully loaded you should see a long list of intro and outro videos that are on the website. So we are going to pick one of these and edit the name and the logo into what we want to display in the video. And once we're done, we download this and take it to whatever platform that we want to sell. So click on any of the videos that you can see here, then I will show you how to edit those videos using your phone. So click on any of the videos. Sorry, I went too fast. Good. So the video is loaded and you can see a button there that says edit this video. So all you do is click on edit the video or edit this video and wait for it to load. Now if you are with me up to this end, then you are on your way to making some cool cash. Okay, yeah, it's still loading. Now what you can see here on the screen is the video. Here you can edit the text that displays on the video. So all I have to do is click on the T that you see in the middle and that should give me a chance to type whatever I want to display on the video. Now I am going to use my brand name, so I'll type Money City. Money City. Money City Incorporated. Then I click on save. Okay, I hope you can see that. Then I can change here to be anything, just similar to whatever. Save, and you can see that the entire thing has changed to my logo name or my company name. So yeah, so once we are done editing the video, the next thing you want to do is click on make video. Okay, make video. Now they will send you back to your dashboard to allow the video to officially load so you can download it. Then here, like I was saying, you will have to pay a subscription fee in order to continue using their service, and on this platform they won't allow you to download the video unless you upgrade to the paid version. So I urge you to make a little to make a little investment, like $10 into this project, and I can guarantee that in less than 90 days you'll be more than $15,000 rich. Because make the calculation, if each gig will sell at $30 and you get at least 5 gigs or 2 gigs a day, you'll be hitting like $60 to $90 a day, and multiplying that by a month, you can imagine the amount of money you're going to be making. So I urge you to go ahead and make this happen. A video is still rendering, and once it is done, you can play it. Okay, and you will see that everything is pretty cool, everything is functioning as it's supposed to be. You don't have to do anything, just type in one word and see that. You can see Money School displaying in there, and that will tell you that we are actually I hope you can see that. That's interesting, right? So if you like the video, smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. This is what I do every time, and I want to share with you guys. So once we are done making this video, then we go to phase 2. Okay, we go to phase 2. So follow me as I show you how to monetize these videos once they are created. So if this actually makes sense to you, then click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you won't miss future videos. Before we started the video, I made it known to you that in the online world you make money just like the way it is in the physical world. You need to have a physical product that you want to sell to people, something that people are willing to buy, something people are willing to pay for. And here we have created a product using the motiondane.com. You have created short intro and outro videos that you probably just paid a couple of dollars for, and you are willing to monetize them. Now here you have two options. You can decide to go on Fiverr.com, or you can go to this new website we call quickinggigs.com. Sorry. quickinggigs.com. Now I recommend using the quickinggigs.com because there's so much competition on Fiverr, and you are likely to make much sales on the
quickengage.com, where there is less competition compared to that of Fiverr. So if you are on this particular page, all you need to do is click on get started to create an account. Now I have already created an account, but I'll just have to walk you through what you need to do to get this done. So if you are here, just type in your username. That could be any name at all you want to recognize by your email address. The user type here, you have to choose seller because you are selling your product to people, and enter your password and confirm. But if you feel like this entering of whatever is a whole headache for you, you can simply click on either connect with Facebook to log in with your Facebook account, or you use connect with Google, where you can actually use your Gmail account to log in. But connect with Yahoo is probably work the same way as the Google, so we're going to go with either Facebook or Google. Now, because I'm already registered, I'm just going to click on connect with Google so I can show you a few stuff before you head on to creating your own account. So here I am. I created the account using my second email, which is the Money City Incorporated. So just click on the Money City Incorporated link, and that should take you to my profile. Still loading. Now, once you are on the page, you have logged in successfully and your account is up and running. You are not visible yet. Nobody can see you because you have not posted a job. So all you have to do is click on the left top corner, and then you select jobs. Now, once you select jobs, we see we have post new and my jobs. So if you click on my jobs, you probably it will take you to where you already had previous jobs. But here you click on post new because you are now going to create a new one. Now, my advice here is you don't have to go about looking for words. You can simply go to fiverr.com and look for one of the top rated guys. They have the more formal information or more formal descriptions. So you just copy one of the descriptions and probably paste them here. So the title of your gig is intros and outros. Okay, intros and outros. Yeah, so that's the title. Once they see this, they know you are dealing with YouTube intros and outros. Now your price can range from $25 to $30. That is per what I have seen with other content creators. So I will simply type here maybe $30. Then the category, you'll have to choose videos, video and animation. Then once you are done with that, the subcategory, you choose intros and outros, and that you can see it here, intros and outros. Intros and outros. Now the description, like I said, is always advisable to copy a little from the experts, those who have been in the game for long. And I said you can simply go to fiverr.com, look for one of the top rated content creators and copy their description. I just did something like that, and once you paste, you see are you looking for animated logo intro videos, then you are at the right corner. I will animate your logo using my clean, unique and creative style, high quality intro videos and logo animation with unique services, whatever. So these things will make you look more professional. Then with the tags, you can have something like intros and outros. That's one. Then you can have video editing. just any keyword that comes to mind, any keyword by which if people are looking for you, they type into the search box and your name pops up. So here you can enter as many words as you can, just to make sure that you get featured when somebody enters a keyword. Now once you are done with that, you have to click on buyer information, and this is what your buyer will normally have to provide you before the work is going to be done. So here, if you have any instruction where you want the buyer to either provide you with details about how you want his intro video to look like his logo, his name, brand name, and those kind of things. So you just enter here, maybe provide me with all the details of your brand, so I can work with. Or you can also ask them to chat you up. You can also ask them to chat you up to give you more information. And then you the maximum number of days that you are going to deliver. So I prefer that you select 3 days. That will give you enough time. And also, when you are going to your location where you live currently, so you put there, then you click on media. Here you just upload a couple of intro videos you have done and upload them here, or images of logos you have designed, you put them here just for your buyers to have a feel of your work before they come in. Now extra fast delivery here is you have your number of days that you are going to deliver your work, but extra fast deliveries means that the person has to pay an extra amount just to make sure that you work around the clock to get his work delivered earlier than usual. So that is what extra fast delivery means. So maybe if it would have taken you 3 days to deliver an intro or an outro video, you can deliver it in 1 day if the person is willing to pay like $5 more or $10 more. That is up to you to decide. Then the description here, simply the same thing. Look up for the top rated guys, copy whatever they have kept there and add it there. Now once this is set up, you click publish and your gig is already visible to most of the people that are online. So I'm going to show you a typical example of the gig I have created just some minutes ago, and from here you will see that I have posted a gig about YouTube intros and outros, and I charge $30 flat rate for every intro video I make, and you can see they're pretty much the same thing. So the rest is left with up to you. Like I said, you're not going to make money just sitting down and doing nothing. You have to take up the chances, put everything you have learned to work, and I bet you are going to make that dollar. If this video has added much value to you, remember to hit the subscribe button, and that will encourage us to do more videos and promote our brand. If there is anything you want me to do, or if there's any question you want to ask, leave it down in the comment section and I'll be very glad to attend to it. Thank you for watching.